Good morning, friends. Today we'll discuss the vertical spindle surface grinding machine. In the previous lecture, discuss the horizontal spindle surface grinding machine. Today we'll discuss the vertical spindle surface grinding machine, which is shown in the diagram. This one is called as a base of the machine. The base of the machine is heavy and rigid. It is made up of cast iron. There is some mechanism is used to drive the table is provided internally on the base. Above the base, you have to mount the table, and above the table you have to use the magnetic chuck. On the back side of the base, this vertical member is called as a column, and this vertical member has provided the guideways. The guideways are vertical guideways, which is used for wheel head, mounting of the wheel head. And this wheel head has provided vertical spindle, means the grinding wheel is mounted on the vertical spindle. In the previous types of grinding machine has a horizontal spindle, and in a horizontal spindle the area covered is very small and very accurate finish is obtained by using the horizontal spindle method, and that's why generally you have to use the horizontal spindle type surface grinding machine. But the vertical grinding machine, in a vertical spindle you have to mount the grinding wheel, and this grinding wheel has a cover a very large area, and due to cover a larger area means it is used to remove the stock in a very less time in a cover a large area of the work, but accuracy cannot be maintained. Means accuracy means the surface finish is rough as a comparison with the horizontal spindle, and this grinding wheel of larger size, and that's why you have to cover the larger area within the small time, but the surface finish is not good, which is shown in the diagram. This one is called as a vertical spindle, and on that vertical spindle this is called as a grinding wheel is rotated some constant speed. This workpiece is mounted on the magnetic table, because of here easily hold and remove the work by using the magnetic table, and that's why in a surface grinding machine you have to use the magnetic table for easily quick holding and removing of the work, and here the load is so less as comparison with the previous machines, and that's why you have to use the magnet. The motion of the table is shown here, and the rotation of the wheel, and you have to finish the top surface of the work by using that process that is called as a vertical spindle.